Hi, this is Patricia O'Connor, the Resident Director of the USAC program in San Sebastián, Spain. San Sebastián is a city of 180,000 people, not too big and not too small, on the northern coast of Spain. The climate is temperate, it's hot in the summer and cold in the winter, but never so cold that we cannot have palm trees. We kind of have to brag a bit here. If you want to be near the mountains, we've got you covered. If you like the ocean, we've got that too. Our students will live within a 5 and 20-minute walk to the beach. We are only 15 miles from the border of France, so students can easily spend the day in the beautiful little towns of southern France and come back to San Sebastián in the evening. It's a program for all seasons. In the fall, your students can look forward to picking apples on local farms if they want to. In the spring, we go on a walking tour of the coast accompanied by a geologist. Our surf class is offered each session, and in this 30-hour class, the students will actually learn how to surf. Basque Cuisine is one of the best in the world. Our cooking class is very popular. Teaching English conversation in the local schools has been one of the experiences that our students have appreciated the most. If your students are interested in perhaps adding a Spanish major or minor to their portfolios, San Sebastián is one great place to do it. We offer 4 tracks of intensive language learning, and in each case, your students will be able to take their Spanish skills to the next level. It is way more than they could ever do in a semester or even a year at home. And let's face it, if you want Spanish to make you more valuable in the job market, you need to know quite a bit and actually be able to use it. So studying intensively is a great way to go. Students will be exposed to both Spanish and Basque cultures. The interesting interaction of these two cultures is evident in everyday life, and we point it out on the excursions as well. In the fall, for example, we hike in the Pyrenees and visit a small town that was targeted by the Spanish Inquisition for allegedly having witches. On other excursions, again, both Spanish and Basque history are presented. In the 3-credit class on Basque language and culture, students will learn a bit about this fascinating pre-Indo-European language, and will take many class trips to see local artisans who will show them how they make special candles, walking sticks, or gather herbs or make cider. All students can join in the many local celebrations like these pictures of the Basque version of Mardi Gras. Each semester, we offer 2 classes in psychology in English. If your students are psych majors, this can be particularly interesting since we share these classes with the University of the Basque Country with the idea of giving them a cross-cultural perspective. Of all the typical reasons to study abroad, seeing the world is something you can do anywhere. But learning another language and culture, becoming a global citizen, and more valuable in the job market are things that we can really deliver on in San Sebastián. Our intensive language classes and cultural activities make students more attractive candidates for many jobs because of their global awareness and their language capability. Add to that the increased independence and adaptability that come as byproducts of study abroad, and you will have one very valuable life experience.